So what is a flow? Flow, it's an automated sequence of emails which you're sending when a customer or subscriber trigger certain event. It can be they place an order, they subscribe for a specific list, or they abandon their cart. What's the difference between campaigns and flows? Campaigns, also known as a newsletter, promo campaign, or blast, you are sending once to specific list or segment. On the other hand, flows, it's a email automations. You might send it only to one person in specific time because they trigger specific event. When that event is triggered, only then you are sending the flow. The beauty of the flow, it works 24/7. You don't have to create it every time as you do this with campaigns. With flows, you set it and almost you forget it unless you want to optimize and improve it. It will be working for you 24/7.